Okay, all right, guys, let's get started. Okay, so we all know for us to start building a website, we need to first of all on our XAMPP. That's when you are working with a local host, not directly on the internet, right? So what I'm going to do now, first of all, is to on my XAMPP. Okay, so here is my XAMPP. Okay, it's up, and on the first software, which is the Apache and my SQL. So I have on both of them now, and good. You can see they have turned to green. If both of them turn to green, you know that it is working perfectly fine. Okay, I'll just go straight to minimize it. Look at it. I have minimized it, and the next step I should follow up is to go to my File Explorer and open two explorers. Okay, so look at it. This is my File Explorer here. I'll right click on it and click on File Explorer. Look at it. Okay, one is up. So I'll go back to that File Explorer again, right click on it and click on File Explorer again. So I'll have two interface of File Explorers. Good. So look at it. You will agree with me that I now have two file explorers on my screen. Good. This is the first one. This is the second one here. So I'm on the first one now, okay? So I will go straight to my local disk C, okay? Go straight to your local disk C, look at it here, and open it. Good. Once it's open this way, locate your XAMPP. Inside it, look at the XAMPP here, the XAMPP folder, open that folder. Good. The folder is open. All right. So once you have this folder open, you go to your htdocs. Look at this htdocs here. You go to it and open it. You can open the htdocs. Okay. Good. This is the htdocs. Once it's open, come down a bit so that you will not highlight any of these folders here. Come down a bit, drop your cursor somewhere here, and right click. Once you right click, go to new. Look at it. Once you drop your cursor on the new, a menu will drop out beside. Look at it already. So you just go to the folder and click on it. Good. You can see it's already waiting for me to write my folder name. Okay. So what I will do is to write my folder name, which should be on small letters, not capital letter and no numbers. So I want to use Mark Values as my folder name. Okay. Mark Values. Correct. So I will hit my enter key. So my folder is created. Okay. So that's it about that on the first Explorer. So I'm going to go over to the second Explorer. And why I'm going to the second Explorer is for me to locate that file which I sent to you guys with the barrack as the folder name, okay? And my own is on my desktop. Look at it. So I have gone to my desktop, look at it, barracks. I open it, good. So why I came to this place is for me to copy WordPress because it's WordPress that we are installing on that our folder. So I'm going to copy WordPress from this place and copy and paste it inside that my folder. But meanwhile, the WordPress I'm going to copy here is the extracted file. Okay, so look at it. All these ones that are unzip are or that are zipped are not extracted, but the ones that are unzipped are already extracted. So if you check here, you will see this is WordPress. Okay, good. So this is WordPress, and I have extracted it already. That's why this one is not zipped. But let me teach you guys something. Once you come to this place, don't assume this folder is okay and you right click and copy. No. First of all, open it. Look at what is going to happen. I have opened the WordPress now. Okay. Look at the WordPress I have opened. You can see there is another folder inside it. Now let me open it again. Good. You can see that these are the files that are inside the WordPress. So let me go back a bit. I want to show you guys so that you get this thing clarified because some of you made the mistake and it was not installing. Okay. So Look at it now. Look at what I'm going to do. This is the WordPress. I'm not going to copy this one here because I'm not sure the folder is okay. So I'm going to open it. Look at it. There is another WordPress inside it. This is the one I'm going to copy. Okay. So I will just click on it, highlight, right click on it and copy. Look at it. Copy. I've copied it. So what I'm going to do now is to go back to my Text Explorer. Look at it here. And open my folder which is mark values. So let me open mark values. Mark values is open and it is empty. So all I'm just going to do now is to right click and paste. Good. So WordPress is going to be pasted inside my folder. Okay? It's going to take a while to paste inside the folder, okay? But that's not an issue. We are going to give it that time to finish up. So once it is done pasting, we will start installing the WordPress proper. Okay. So let's give it more time to finish up. So this is basically how you copy the right WordPress with the right folder, yes, with the right folder and files. Okay. It's not because you just see a WordPress extracted, you copy. First of all, try to open it. When you open it, you are going to see another WordPress folder. It is that one that you are going to copy. That's the right file. If not, if you copy the first one, you cannot install it because it is going to be empty. A folder cannot behold a folder. A folder can only behold a file or files. Do you understand? So good. So it is being copied and pasted inside the folder which I created, which is my value. So we are going to give it just some minutes, one or two, so that it will paste inside that folder before we start creating other things that we need to do and install it proper. Okay. So we are at 40% already. Okay. So no need to rush this. Once it is pasting, don't start saying, this is taking my that you cancel. And if you do that, you are going to break some files. Yes, you are going to break some files. Remember, files of systems are as delicate as an egg. So it's not something that you just do with your muscle hands, right? Yes, give it time, allow it to settle, and it will work perfectly fine for you. Okay, so that is it. It is already at 61, 62% now. Good. So I'm allowing it to get to 100% before we continue. We are at 70% now. Yours might be faster. Okay, it depends. Some systems, once you paste it, it wouldn't even take up to 10 seconds and it's done. The other of my system, it doesn't take 10 seconds, it is done. So it doesn't matter, just allow it. Allow it. You can see we are already at 80% now. We're already at 80 plus percent. Okay. I think we are now on 90%. Okay. Very soon we are going to start installations because we are now at the 100% mark. 100% good. So it has finished installing. Once this is done, go ahead and minimize your explorers. Okay. Once you minimize the explorers, all you need to do is to go over to your browser. Before I go over to the browser, I will open it with a new video. Okay, I didn't want any of these videos to start getting long, so I'm going to open a new browser with a new video. So make sure you watch the next video. I still remain your humble tutor, aka Ifai Chuku. Thank you very much.